I know your biggest question will be, can I use this earpod with my iPhone? Well, I'm going to answer this question in this video. Here is the Sonic One earpod that comes with 50 hours of battery life, different sound modes, dual mic noise cancellation for calls, and lots more. If you're looking to buy this earpod, the Sonic One earpod is sold for around 31,000 naira on Jumia, and it's also available in nearby stores. You can find my affiliate link to this product in the description below if you wish to buy it from Jumia. The earpod comes in black and white color. With that said, let's get down to the review. Let's see what this bad girl can do. Looking at the packaging for the first time, I could feel the hard cardboard used to protect this earpod, which is actually useful when they're actually shipping this product down to you. I also noticed the misspelled word true as true. I don't know why Tecno made such a mistake. If you wish to see what's inside the box, I have a separate video concerning the unboxing, and you can find the video here or in the description below. Well, that's everything you get inside the box. You can find the earpod inside the charging case with tapes covering the charging pin. What caught my attention about this earpod was the 50 hours of playtime. I'm sure that's something that actually caught your attention too. The Tecno Sonic One are designed in a silk and stylish way. On the charging case, you would find the glossy Tecno logo. The earpods are made of plastic. The lightweight of the earpod can be compared to Rime and Apple AirPods. The earpod comes with 3 different sizes of ear tips, which means you can find the perfect fit for your ear. The ear tips are made of soft silicone, which helps to create a secure seal that blocks out ambient noise. I also noticed the ear tips has a little magnet on it, which means if you bring 2 ear tips closer, it's going to magnet. The earpod has a touch-sensitive control on each side of the earpod. Overall, the Tecno Sonic One earpod has a good design and build quality. The Tecno Sonic One earpod comes with dual mic noise cancellation. Each earpod has about 45 mAh battery capacity, and a charging case comes with 800 mAh, Bluetooth version 5.3, different sound modes, and IPX5 water resistance. It's also important to note that this earpod is not good for gaming. The latency was noticeable while playing game. Tecno built a sound app for this earpod, which can be installed on iOS and Android. The name of the app is AUDPUB. With the app, you get to experience an improved sound quality. I wasn't impressed with the AUDPUB app as it wasn't friendly and needs improvement. I couldn't do more than just sound strength check. The earpod volume is low and doesn't come with bars if you don't install the app, but after I was able to install the app, I noticed an improved sound quality on the bars and even the volume. This means if you want to enjoy quality experience with this earpod, you need to install the app. For the call quality, I called few of my friends and they made mention that the earpod is cool and they were not able to hear background noises around me. The earpod connects well with any device you throw at it. I feel Tecno users will enjoy more experience since this earpod was built by the same brand. The earpod can be connected to your iPhone. One cool thing I love about the earpod is once you've connected this earpod to any of your device, then you can actually just bring out this earpod from the charging case and it's going to connect automatically to that phone. The earpod also has a touch sensitive control on each side of the earpod like I mentioned. With these touch sensitive areas, you can actually play, pause, and do all sorts of things. It's also important for me to mention that the sensitive control for the volume up and down is quite different from this earpod. If you wish to increase the volume up, then what you need to do is to swipe down on the right ear. Then if you want to volume down, then you need to swipe down on the left ear. Really simple. Coming to the battery life of this earpod, each earpod takes about 1.5 hours to get full from 0%. The charging case takes about 3 hours to get full. I decided to give the 50 hours a test to verify the statements made by Tecno, and to my surprise, I made use of this earpod for more than 70 hours. Surprise, right? Breaking 50 hours would mean 2 days and extra 2 hours of non-stop playtime. But the 70 hours of usage was due to me listening to music, and most times I had to stop playing music because it's quite stressful. I can't listen to music all long. The Sonic One is advertised on some platform as a noise cancellation earpod. Well, it's actually true, but you only get a noise cancellation for phone calls. Music playbacks does not offer noise cancellation. So it's safe to say that there is no active noise cancellation on this earpod. For the water resistance, I was not able to test that, but if you wish to use this earpod under rain, make sure you don't stay under the rain for too long so you don't get any components damaged. Overall, is this earpod a good choice? Well, yes, it's a good choice. If you live in Nigeria whereby you have little electricity, then trust me, this earpod is going to serve you for a very long period of time. Just like I said, I made use of this earpod for more than 70 hours, and if I could use this earpod for more than 70 hours with adequate light, then trust me, you're going to enjoy this earpod. And for the fact that it comes with a good buzz for music, it's also a good choice. So if you wish to go ahead and purchase this earpod, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check that out. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.